Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Summer Wave's 22-foot by 52-inch Elite Wicker Frame Pool Kit. The Summer Wave's 22-foot by 52-inch Elite Frame Pool is the perfect addition to your summer. This complete pool kit has everything you need to set up and maintain your pool, so you spend more time chilling in the water and less time buying accessories. This above-ground, round-frame swimming pool comes with a CP 2000C filter pump, pool cover, pool ladder, ground cloth, and maintenance kit. Filter cartridges are not included. Product benefits: snap and design for quick and easy setup. This pool is made with a rust-resistant, galvanized steel frame and heavy-gauge PVC material. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.